Alright, in the last video we talked about how to change the record mode, the record settings, and making your first recording. In this third and final video of the Tascam DR-40 Essentials training, we're going to be talking about how to record with an external microphone and how to use phantom power. Let's get ready to record with an external microphone. First thing we'll need is an external microphone. In this video, I'll be using two different microphones. The first is an SM58 Shure vocal mic. This is a dynamic microphone, which is, like the name suggests, really great at recording vocals. It's not as sensitive, so to record audio with this, you'll want to make sure this microphone is right next to the subject that you're recording. The other thing is you do not use phantom power with this. So the next thing you'll want to do on your Tascam is make sure on the left side this slider is set in the middle for mic. Make sure it's not set to mic plus phantom. If you add phantom power to a microphone that does not need phantom power, you could damage it. So the next thing we'll do is get a XLR cable. XLR cables have two different ends. One is a male end and one is a female end. First we'll plug in the female end to the bottom of the microphone. Push it until you hear it click. Same thing for the other end, we'll put it into the bottom of the Tascam on the left side. The next thing we need to do is change the record mode to accept this external microphone. So let's press record mode. We'll go over to stereo and change it to mono because this is a mono microphone, it's singular, versus the internal microphones which have two, stereo. Alright, next we'll go to source, change it from internal mic mono to external in 1. Press stop to go back to the home page. And now we can press the record button to monitor our levels. Adjust the input level until it's at a good point. It's a little bit loud now, so let's lower it. And that looks about right. So I'll press record a second time to start recording. And I know it's recording 1 because solid light and because it's counting up. Now let's set up for recording with an external microphone that needs phantom power. Alright, the microphone I'm going to be using is a shotgun microphone. This is a condenser mic, which would be the opposite of a dynamic mic like this one. Now, some shotgun microphones have their own battery which provides phantom power. This one in particular does not, but even if you have one that does have a battery, you might still want to use phantom power because that internal battery could die, whereas the Tascam has more battery power and it has a battery indicator. Next, we'll plug in our microphone. And if you were to start recording, or I'll just press it once to monitor it, you'll notice we're not getting any levels or peaking. That's because first we need to actually change this from mic to mic with phantom power. So let's slide that down. Next, you'll get a dialog box that says, "Are you sure you want to do this?" This is to let you know that if you're providing phantom power to a dynamic microphone, you could damage the microphone. Now, I know that this is a condenser microphone and that it does require phantom, so I'm going to go ahead and press yes. So now we're getting the levels and you can see it's already peaking, and that's because this microphone is so much more sensitive than the Shure SM58 dynamic microphone. So we'll want to turn this input level really far down. And that is how you record with an external microphone. In this Essentials training course of the Tascam DR-40, you've learned about the device, how to set up the date and time, how to restore the settings to factory default, how to format the SD card, change the record mode and change the record settings, make your first recording, and how to record with an external microphone using phantom power. I hope you enjoyed these videos and I wish you good luck on all of your media creation. Take care.